How to clean Gmail inbox. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can clean up your inboxes from your Gmail. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Gmail application from your device and get logged into your specific Gmail account. Now, in order to clean your inboxes, all you have to do is tap on 3-bar icon on your top left. Make sure that you are on Primary tab, and here long tap onto the email that you would like to delete. In case you would like to delete all of it at once, tap on to Select All and you can delete up to 50 emails from here. Now, in case you have a specific email in your mind and if you would like to delete that, you can also search them and repeat the process. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.